Hello. By the end of today's lesson, hopefully you can say I can find the area of squares, rectangles, and parallelograms. Our first object is a rectangle. If this length is 5 and this is 8, when I want to find the area, what I'm trying to find is how many squares that are 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter that fit in this space. And 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, there's 8 across. Now, to count them up, I can count up to 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way to 16, get to 24, 32, and 40. So if you counted them all up, you would have 40 of these square centimeters. And that's what we call the area. And now, we don't want to make these lines and do this every single time. So what we want to do is we'll call this the base and this the height. And we write a formula. Area equals base times height. And that's actually what this thing says, which formula for area, base times height. Now, in this situation, this side is 5. This is a square because it's 5 by 5. Now, it's the same formula, but we can make it even easier. If we just know one side and we know it's a square, meaning all sides are the same, we can just say it's each side is squared. So if I take 5 squared, that's going to give us 25, and that's 25 units squared. So there's 25 of these little squares inside of this big square. Now if they don't give us any units, we just write the word u and say that whatever unit it is, we square it. All right, there's one more shape that we're going to do today. It's a parallelogram. Now a parallelogram, if I had this side, say this side was 5 centimeters, that would not help us find the area at all. Really what we're doing is if I take this parallelogram and I took a little knife and cut it here, I could take this, it would float over there, and that would make a nice little rectangle. Now, and we know the area of this rectangle is going to be 7 times 4, or 28 centimeters squared. Now when I bring this, not that, this object back over here, we have to think about the height. If this is perpendicular, our height is 4. That's the perpendicular distance between these two bases. So we can use the same formula. But now we just have to know that height means this perpendicular base, or perpendicular distance, not the diagonal distance. So it's just still 7 times 4, which gives us our answer of 28. All right, those are the 3 formulas for finding the area of a rectangle, a square, and a parallelogram. Hope this helps you get through some work. Good luck.